welcome back to my channel. You're watching the Sydney Musin Show with your host, Sydney Musin. This week's video is a fun one and I'm wearing my like Mean Girls pink sweater, you know, so I'm feeling good. We are in the fall vibes right now. It may not look like it in Portland, Oregon, but I am feeling it internally. And so tonight we are hosting a little like fall gathering with some friends. We're gonna have like pizza and spiced cider. It's gonna be so fun. On top of that, I'm going to the pumpkin patch tomorrow. So if we weren't fall, we are now, people. Then I am also planning for a trip, an upcoming trip. In a few days, I'm leaving for New York. New York, New York. Half of the trip is gonna be with my sister and her boyfriend, and then the other half is for work purposes. So I'm planning like outfits for both work and just like fun overall stuff, like going out and food and restaurants, whatever. So one, I need to pick up the whole apartment and majorly the bathroom. So that's number one. Two, I need to order the pizza and make sure that Brent can pick it up on his way home. Three, I need to pack super quick for New York. I already have an idea in my head, but I need to give some stuff to my sister because I will not have enough room in my suitcase, and she is graciously giving me space in her boyfriend's suitcase. So, thanks, Alec. Four, I need to back up all my pictures and video on my phone because I just got the new iPhone and I have to make sure that it's all set up before New York. I'm a little stressed that I'm gonna lose some stuff. I don't know, I've just heard it happening for TikTok mainly, but I can't lose this stuff for work, so I'm a little stressed. And then five, I have a couple brand deals that I'm working on right now. I have one tomorrow that I'm shooting at the pumpkin patch, so I need to kind of get that one all set up and ready to go. And then I'm also shooting a brand deal in New York, so I need to like conceptualize what I'm gonna do that for and like where I'm going to do that. So that is what's in my mind right now, and we need to accomplish all of this in the next 2 hours, so we need to go. Welcome back to another hectic vlog, people. We are here and you are there. I cleaned the whole apartment, so these are like the two things I got for work that I needed to open up. Anyways, the kitchen, clean, everything except for that needs to be recycled. Everything should be good for people arriving. Brent got the pizza and we are ready to rumble, people. It is the next day and we are heading to the pumpkin patch.
Heyo.
Woo! So excited. Want to get some little pumpkins and that's pretty much it. So let's go. It's Brent. We made it to the pumpkin patch. And we got one. Found this little guy who was just waiting for us to take him home. Trying to get content and it is a struggle, people, let me tell you. It is windy. I am not feeling it, but we are still out here.
We're having a blast anyway. Because
we got the shot.
Because it's fall.
It's not, but I know, but it doesn't seem like it's fall.
And we love our lives.
Live, laugh, love.
Live, laugh, love. Pumpkin pie.
That's all I needed right now. Oh. Okay. Well, that was our time at the pumpkin patch. Honestly, that was like a good hour of our lives. What do you think?
Yeah.
We got some pictures, I got my brand deal done, and now we're gonna head to Brent's sister's place to check out her apartment, which I'm very excited about. And then we're gonna go have dinner with the rest of his family, so fun stuff coming. And we get Celeste. You wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah, I want to be in the vlog.
All right, it is the next day, people. We are at 10 Barrel. I just met up with a new friend, Anna, and we are eating some truffle fries, obviously the necessities, some beer, and we both ordered pizza.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ladies.
Beautiful.
I love it. And
All right. Alrighty, it is a few hours later. I just took a fat nap. And now I am ready to pack for New York. This is the situation on the bed. Yeah. So I have all my packing cubes. I've already started rolling it up, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the cute pieces I'm bringing. I have this really cute top that I just got from, I think, H&M. It's like a little side shirt thing. And then this like feathery one, dress. I don't know. There's like some fun stuff in there, but I'm just trying to make sure that it all like fits up in here because I literally can only pack these 2 little suitcases. So yeah, we're gonna try to make all that fit in that little suitcase. Woo! Yep. Okay, so here's the update. These are all my clothes ready to go. These are just random items. You know, you got my hairpiece, scarf, some other little, oh, I think like tights, makeup bag, brand deal I need to do in New York, so probably my carry-on bag. All of my hats. I've got so many hats. I feel like they just make a elevated like look for anything. You know, some gloves. This is all of my toiletries, some extra toiletries, and hair curler. And then I gotta fit that bag and my little Lulu into all of this. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was such a struggle. I don't know if you could see on camera, but I was like shoving it in there. Like I literally think this bag, oh, gosh, I bet it weighs like 35 pounds. I swear, it's so heavy. I'm like, no. I wish I could check something in, but everyone has been saying, do not check your bags to New York. And so here I am. This is my outfit I'm wearing on the plane, some jeans, a sweatshirt, and my big like wool coat. So hopefully that will keep me warm the whole time and I won't need anything else. I am so excited to go to New York. I think the last time I went was when I was like 15 with my family. So I think now it will be so much different being there with my sister in our 20s. It's like you never have that time back with your sister in New York in your 20s. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to do all the fun autumny things that New York has right now. The changing of the leaves, like we just don't really have that here right now. It's still like mid 80s, so I'm hoping that the cold weather will put me into that fall mood and bring you guys some great content. Other than that, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I got tons of